Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Now, when it comes to AI, everyone is looking at ChatGPT and Microsoft. But I wouldn't give up on Google just yet. I have a feeling Google probably has been studying AI and has a lot of stuff up their sleeve that they just either haven't released yet or maybe they're too afraid to release. And so I'm interested to see how Google plays in AI. Chart-wise, I like the fact that Google is above all the major moving averages here and seems to be bumping up against a pretty clear level of resistance right around that 107, 108 zone. You can see how back here in February, that was an area of resistance. We pulled back under the moving averages, bit of a double bottom here with a higher low, pretty prevalent in early March. Off that zone, we zipped right back up to that 107 108 area. Now we're just kind of consolidating around that area. So I think if Google can break out above that level and do it on pretty good volume, it could continue this trend higher and then potentially test up here at around 111 and then up here at around 122. So those are just two potential profit areas that I'm looking at if Google can break out of this short base of consolidation. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. You can take a trial of our premium service. 30 days is only $7. I hope to see you on the other side.